This video is going to walk you through option number 3 for setting up a print archive on your website, and that is to create a page with links out to your print issues. The first thing you'll want to do with this option is go create that page. And to do that, I'm going to go to my site's dashboard, click on the Pages tab here on the left, and then add a new page. And you can title this page whatever you'd like. I'm going to call mine Print Archive. And then I do want to actually publish this page, even though I haven't put anything on it just yet. Another step you're probably going to want to take here is to add this new print page to your menu. That way, it's easily accessible for your site visitors. So again, once you have published and created this page, to add it to your menu, you'll want to hover over Snow Dashboard up here at the top, edit navigation menus, and then make sure you have the correct menu selected. In my case, I am going to be editing my main navigation menu, so I'm going to leave that one. But if I needed to edit a different menu, I would want to make sure I select the correct one here. From my options of menu items to add over here on the left, I'm going to be adding a page, and the page that I want to add is Print Archive. So I'll select that one, add it to my menu. And if I wanted to, I can click and drag and reposition it. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to click on Save Menu. So now if we go back to the home page and look, I should see up in my navigation menu, I've got the Print Archive page, but of course, when I click on it, it is empty. I haven't added any print issues to it yet. So the next step would be to upload a PDF of your print issue to your site's media library. To do that, I'm going to click on this media tab here on the left, add media file, and then I am going to select that PDF. And as soon as it's uploaded, I will have the option here to copy the URL for the PDF to my clipboard, and I do want to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to copy URL to clipboard. I'm going to need that in just a second. Another optional step would be to come to your media library and upload a photo of the cover of that print issue. If you would like that print page to be a little bit more visual and you plan on displaying photos, I would go ahead and recommend this. So I'm going to add a media file, and I am going to choose the cover of my print issue to upload. I don't need to copy the URL for this one, but I am going to add it to my page in just a second. So now that I've uploaded my print issue PDF to my media library and I've copied that URL, I'm ready to go back to that page, click on it to edit. And there are a few different ways that you can add a link to that PDF on this page. The easiest way would just be with text. So I'm just going to say this is our spring issue 2025. And to add it via text, I would just need to select the text, use this hyperlink, and then paste that URL that I copied from the media library for the PDF. Now, again, if you want to make this more visual and include some images, you could also use the Add Media button, select that cover image that you uploaded, and then over here, you'll have the option to link that image out to a URL. So I can link to a custom URL, and then I would just paste the PDF URL here and insert. So either option is fine. Again, you can link to the text or you can link to the image, just kind of depends on what you prefer. Obviously, if I was going to keep this image in here, I would probably want to choose an alignment option. And I can also do things like click and drag to size it accordingly. And then I would just repeat these steps for any additional print issues that I want to add to this page. So I'm going to go ahead and update this one. And now if we go back to that print archive page and click on it in the menu, I can see both the text and the image that I've added both link out to that PDF print issue.